Hey everyone, welcome back to Fusioneers. Today we're going to be talking about measuring in Fusion. So let's go ahead and go over to this introductory file. If you don't have this file, you can download it for free on our SKOOL community. Just go to skool.com/Fusioneers and you should be able to join. And this file is available for free. If it's not colored like this, that's because we did that in a couple other videos previously in this playlist. So if you're interested in seeing how we did that, check those out. So the main thing I want to show you is just how to get really quick measurements on things. So if you just click on the edge and look down here, this gives you the diameter of that circle. So just to be sure, diameter is 130 millimeters. So it should show up regardless of what version of Fusion you have. And then if you click off, it goes away. If we click on this, 200 millimeters. So there's times, when you have a file open and you just want to know how big did I make this, you can just click on the edge and look down in the corner and that will be present. Now if we navigate back to the back, and you'll remember we colored our text that says back a couple of videos ago, but if we want to measure a straight line, same thing. You click on the line and you'll see edge length is 1 millimeter. So there's a lot of straight lines in different designs, so you can easily measure that. Also, this is 0.202 millimeters. And then if you hold shift, you can see the angle between them. So I selected, let's just redo that again. If you select that first line, click and hold shift, select the second line, it measures the angle. So you'll see here, the angle is 90 degrees, as you would expect. If we click off, just going to click escape, and then we can measure this angle. So click here, hold shift, click the other angle, and this is 42.6 degrees. So that's useful. I use that pretty regularly, especially when you're just kind of looking at a design, trying to figure out things that you didn't do. And another way you can get to the same functionality is to click on inspect and then click on measure. And this does a pretty similar thing. So again, you can see the different values there. Radius, diameter, center. I don't really use these center positions much, but I'm sure they're helpful in some ways. So that's how you measure in Fusion. So there's a lot more to it than that, but I thought it'd be useful just to make this quick video, especially if you're just getting started. You might want to know what size you made things without having to go back in your design history and find it. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.